Okay, so now that we have covered certain facts about continents and oceans and locating the continents and oceans, we're going to play a game about continents and oceans. So I'm going to teach you and show you how to start the game with um, your classmates. So first, I'm going to tell you what pieces are used for the game. So these are the dice, the jacks. These are used for moving around the board. And the cards. These are the cards. They have questions on them for you to answer to move around the board. And this is the manual. It teaches you, it shows you how to play the game, what you need to do in order to win, and the directions of the game, the materials used in the game, and all of that good stuff. So, as far as the cards, I'll do one starting off. So, this card says, locate me on the map. So the map is in the middle of the board, which is here. That is the map you will locate this continent on. So the continent is North America. So North America will be located here. So if the question is answered correctly, you'll be able to move your spaces. You'll know how many spaces to move because you will roll the dice. Okay?
Okay.
So if you answer North America, and let's say you roll the number 4, you start off with your jacks here, and then you're gonna move 4 spaces. So let's move 4 spaces on the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make sure you're counting now, so you won't move too many or move too less. So start over on the square and move 4 spaces on the circle again. Make sure you count aloud. 1 by 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So that is how you play the game. Now, determining who wins, of course, is the person who makes it all the way to the finish line. So you start here. You start here. This is the starting line. And you go all the way around the board. All the way until you see finish. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, let's begin our game by rolling the dice first to see who get the highest number to go first. So how many did you roll?
6.
6. And I'm rolling. How many did I roll?
6.
6. So let's do it again. How many was that?
8.
That's 6. So who goes first?
Mm.
Okay. So you're going to roll again. And that's how many times you're going to move if you get the questions on the card right. So pick your card first.
Locate me.
No, read that one. Read that one.
Locate me on the map.
And what continent is that?
Australia.
Let me see. Sound it out. Let's see.
Antarctica.
Mm-hmm. So locate Antarctica on the map. This map.
Right here.
So that's Antarctica?
Mm-hmm.
So Antarctica is here too. So to check your answer, lift this tab to make sure that's Antarctica. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. Which one? Which continent is that?
Australia.
Australia. All right. So you can put this card at the bottom of the deck, but you can't move any spaces because you didn't get it right. But that's okay. So now it's my turn. So I rolled 10. So if I get my card correct, I get to move 10 spots. Locate me on the map. And this is Europe. Europe is located here. And for me to check my answer, this looks the same as these two. So I'm going to check my answer here. and it says Europe. So can I move my spaces?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to set this card off to the side. And I'm going to move my 10 spaces. And I choose pink. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, your turn.
7. Most popular continent.
What is most populated? Most populated continent. Which one is the most populated?
This one.
I don't know. Raise it and see. Is it? Nope, that says Asia. Because remember what we covered earlier, Asia is the what?
Biggest continent.
Biggest continent, that's right. So it has the most people. Okay, so now it's my go. So I roll 7. I draw a card. What continent am I? I think this is Asia. So I can match it. It looks like Asia. So I can check here. It looks like Asia. Check your answer. It's Asia. So I get to roll my 7. Move my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. How many is that?
8.
8. All right.
Locate me on the map.
Which continent? What did it say? On the map. Locate it on the map first. Okay. Is that the right one?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. So you can move.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right. Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to roll first. So I have 7. So I am the smallest continent. The smallest continent is Australia. Yep. So I get to move, what, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
To not have any desert.
I do not. Sorry. I do not have any deserts. So which continent doesn't have any deserts?
Europe.
Check it and see. Good. So you can move how many spaces?
8.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You catching up with me. All right. 7. It is 7 of us. It is 7 continents.
What? That was the easiest question.
It was pretty easy.
Let's keep.
Continents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
9.
Pull a card.
I am the largest ocean.
You remember that from the video we watched earlier? The largest ocean?
Asia.
Asia's the continent. But that is the largest continent, that's right. If you don't remember, it's okay. You can check your answer. That's Asia, the continent. Which ocean is it? Pacific. It's the Pacific Ocean. That's okay. So it's my turn. All right, 6. What continent am I? This is dang, I can't think of it. Africa. It's Africa. So this one is here, and this is like that one. Yeah. Check my answer by lifting the tab, and it's Africa.
It's not Africa.
That is Africa. Look, it goes that way. See the dot on the side? Africa. So I can move my, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will go all the way to the finish line, and that's how you determine the winner. Whoever gets to finish first.
I got 6.